we're making soft oatmeal cookies from allrecipes.com. But instead of just oatmeal cookies, we're adding dairy-free, gluten-free chocolate chip. Okay, the first thing I like to do when I'm getting baking or cooking is get my ingredients out. Earth Balance, which is my butter, baking soda, vanilla, cinnamon, oats, gluten-free oats, 1-in-1 gluten-free flour, sugar, brown sugar, salt, and the chocolate chips. Today, I have a special guest with me, my sister.
Hello, everyone.
Let's get started. This recipe was supposed to be for 24, but today we're making 12. Okay, in a medium bowl, cream together half a cup of butter, and half a cup of white sugar, and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Now the creaming's done. It takes a bit of muscle, but here is what it's supposed to look like. Now we add 1 egg, and you beat it up. Next you add vanilla. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you mix it all together. Now it's all done. It looks creamy and smooth. Put that aside. Then you get another bowl with a fresh spoon and a fresh bowl to mix your dry ingredients. 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then you add, stir together. Now that we've mixed our wet and dry ingredients, we put the dry ingredients into the wet bowl and then stir together. It's kind of tough, but it's all done. Then you add your 1.5 cup of oats and then stir together. Now that it's all mixed together, we add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. And you stir them together.
Now you cover and you let sit in fridge for 1 hour.
And we're back. The cookies are chilled, and don't forget to preheat the oven to 375 and grease your cookie sheet. Now we're going to put the cookie dough on. My assistant's here to help me. dough, you shape it into a ball. The ball is the size of a walnut, and put it on your greased cookie sheet.
Don't make them too small.
Now that the cookies are on the cookie sheet, let's sugarcoat them. You only need 3 things to sugarcoat them: a fork, a bowl of water, and a bowl of white sugar. Make sure it's not brown sugar. Here are the steps. You dip your fork in the water, you dip it in the sugar, make sure you get some sugar on there, and you press softly on the cookie. Make sure you get some sugar on there. Then you push it down, and make sure you don't push it down too hard or your cookie will be too thin. And you keep doing that with all your other cookies. Then you put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Now they're done. Time to take them out of the oven to set and cool. Leave them on the pan for a few minutes or seconds until they seem cool enough to move to a rack. Now the cookies are cool and on the rack, and they're safe to eat. Remember, you can use your regular flour and regular butter.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give us a